Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Super excited to have you here today. So if you've been around my channel for a while, you know I am Canadian and I live in Canada. And our Canada Day celebrations are coming up very quickly on July 1st. So I thought it would be fun to share with you a few of my Canada Day DIY projects. Super simple, super easy. They don't require very many materials at all. And I don't even know if you could call a couple of them DIYs, but I thought I would share them with you and also show you how I use them and incorporate them into the decor on the front of my house to celebrate Canada Day. Now this video is part of a Canada Day collaboration with a bunch of other Canadian creators here on YouTube, and we are super excited to share how we celebrate our July 1st weekend. I will be sharing a few more details on this collaboration later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. You won't want to miss it. So without any further ado, let's get into my DIY projects and decorating the outside of my house for July 1st. So these are all items I've had on hand. For many years I've used them. You can see by the sticks that I've used them in the garden. So those I will be using. But I'm going to show you how you can take some simple dollar store items and transform these into some really cute Canada Day decorations for the outside of your house. So this first DIY project is so simple. I really shouldn't even call it a DIY project. But every year when I post over on Instagram my front porch decor for Canada Day, I always get asked, where did you get those Canadian flag pillows? And if you're not following me over on Instagram, come on over and say hi. I would love to have you over there. I tend to share more than just home decor related items. But what I do is I take a dollar store bandana and I place it over my current cushions, and I flip it over and I pin the bandana to the cushion, and that's it. So that's my secret to my Canadian flag pillows. It's amazing how many times I get asked, where did you get those pillows? But now you know my secret. It's a simple dollar store bandana that is safety pinned to the cushion. And this way I can remove the bandana after Canada Day and I have my cushions back to normal, and there's no sewing, there's no gluing. It's as simple as that. And the great thing about these bandanas is you can use them on square cushions or these rectangular cushions like I have done. So that is my Canada Day pillow secret. Now this next DIY project is once again so simple, it's almost not a DIY project, but what I'm going to do is take this lantern that I have sitting on a little table on my front porch, and I'm just going to embellish it for Canada Day. And what I have used in all of these projects are just items that I already had in my house. So for instance, this red ball of, I think it's roses, I picked up years ago from the dollar store for Valentine's Day. I now use it at Christmas time and Valentine's Day or any other type of day. So I'm just going to replace the white candle with this. And then I'm going to take some ribbons, some red and white ribbons that I had. Again, I think I got these at Walmart last year or the year before. I can't really remember. And I'm just going to attach these to the lantern to add some festivity, a festive look to this lantern, and put it back on my porch. And I love the combination of the red and white stripe, which reminds me of the stripes on the flag. And then of course the white ribbon with the little maple leaves on it. And that's it. And I love the way this looks. I think it's so pretty and festive for July 1st. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is a collaboration with a whole lot of wonderful Canadian YouTube creators, and our host is Lisa from Lisa and Company. She has an amazing DIY channel, and you should really go check her out. But she got us together again this year. We did this last year and it was so much fun. So be sure to check out Lisa's channel, and don't forget to check out the playlist of all the other YouTube creators so you can see how we Canadians celebrate our July 1st. Now, this last project is just taking the wreath that I have on the front door currently and transforming it for Canada Day with the red and the white. And I had these red flowers on hand, and this is the only thing I picked up this year was this little windmill thing from the dollar store. And I thought it would make the perfect centerpiece. Instead of a ribbon, I'm going to use that as the front, the focal point of my wreath. And what I thought was the red flowers would act as the red bands on our flag, and then the white flowers are the next part of the flag, the white band in the middle, and then my little windmill will act as my red maple leaf that's on the flag. And I'm really excited to do this. I think it's going to look so cute. So all I did was take off all the other flowers I had on there. And that's a great thing about just wiring on your florals onto whatever wreath you have, because you can transform wreaths over and over again without hot gluing anything on. So you always have a base for your wreath, and you just simply undo all the wires and you can change it up for each season. So for instance, I have this wreath currently on my front door, but I have used it at Christmas time inside my house, and I've decked it out with poinsettias or red and gold balls and ribbons. It has been through many seasons in my house, and I love that. I love just wiring things in so that I never ever have to worry about hot gluing, and then I can use the wreath base over and over again. But I love the way this came together with the flowers and the little windmill in the middle. It looks so cute and festive on my front door. And speaking of which, I am going to show you the wreath on the door now and give you a glimpse at my front porch that has my DIY projects on it. And I will also give you a look at the front of my house with some of the other flags and things that I have placed in the garden. But I love the way this looks. It's starting to look very festive for Canada Day. I only have one more item I want to add to the front of my house, and that is our Canadian flag. And I usually put that up in the next week or so. And then I will be all ready to celebrate Canada's birthday on July 1st.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young.
Thank you so much for stopping by and joining me today and seeing how I decorate my house for Canada Day on July 1st. I absolutely love putting out the red and white for this holiday. I love showing off the red and white pride, and I am especially happy with the way things have turned out this year. I love my wreath and the way the lantern, and of course I always love my little pillows on my chairs. And be sure to check out the playlist that is linked below so you can go check out all the other wonderful Canadian YouTube creators. We are so excited to show everybody our Canadian pride. I only have one more little item to add to the front of my house, which I will do this weekend, and that is my Canadian flag. And be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love for you to join my growing YouTube family here. I absolutely love to share things like home decor, organizing, lifestyle, you name it. I love sharing it with everybody. And be sure to like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment and let me know, are you Canadian and how are you going to celebrate July 1st this year? It would really help my channel out a lot. So until next time, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the playlist. Thank you again, Lisa, for getting us all together. And I hope everyone has a wonderful week. Bye.
Told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling.